Hello, I'm Grace from QL-Cutom. Welcome customers to visit our company, a confident and professional factory that stands behind me. Also can stand the test and examination. We are professional and prompt reply. Customers can get what they want from us. The aim of our whole team from design, produce to after sales is customs approved. As a sales assistant, my daily work is receive orders, place orders, follow up productions, and arrange the shipments. Generally speaking, effective communication with the customers and make quotation as soon as I get the inquiry. After make a deal, update the produce progress to our customers and try my best to make the shipment as scheduled. Our products have been sold at home and abroad. We offer our global customers effective and accurate communication. The professional services help our customers to win the market. To win the market requires us to strictly control the quality of our products. With more than 20 years experience, we have won high reputation from our customers. Choose QL-Cutom, you will never regret. Thanks for your listening. Bye-bye.